Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be making a couple of winter DIYs with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So I'm starting out here with the snowflake, which is one of the wood cutouts from the Dollar Tree. Then we have some leftover little snow over there in a bag. And then the white paint is the apple barrel white from Walmart. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Craft Your Stash, and this is the winter. This is the winter one. So this is being hosted by Sunflower Tasha. Then we have Z9 Designs and Joanna's DIY Life. All right, so let's get started with the painting, guys. So in my stash, I also had one of the jumbo popsicle sticks, and we're going to go ahead and paint that. So while that paint is still wet, we want to go ahead and we want to sprinkle some of that fake snow. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat that process with the popsicle stick. All right, so we have little bits of Mod Podge in each one of these two bottles. We're going to go ahead and put that to use. Then the Dollar Tree, if you can get it, they carry the black canvases in the Craft Your Square section. I grabbed one of their crosses and one of these wooden bows I found in my stash. And then I had leftover ribbon, beautiful green color. And so let's see what we can do with this, guys. Now, of course, we're going to get the painting out of the way first. So these are the colors that I decided to go with, but remember that you can choose any of your favorite colors when you're painting your projects. Now I decided to go ahead and put some of that fake snow on top of that cross while that paint is still wet. All right, so I'm moving that cross over to the side. All of that stuff that's painted needs to dry. So let's work with this black canvas. Now, I also found in my stash some of the gold leaf, and I do believe in the plus section of the Dollar Tree, you can probably find this. I'm not sure. I haven't seen crafts in my store lately, but they used to have the gold leaf and the silver leaf. Well, we're going to make use of the gold leaf. And then here we're working with that leftover ribbon. I'm not really sure where I got this ribbon. Might have been Hobby Lobby. So I think that we never have too many bows. So even if I make the bow and don't use it or decide not to, it's okay. I love this ribbon. Now I decided to go ahead and just work with each corner, like the top corner and the bottom corner, and place some Mod Podge, then grab some of that gold leaf. And this will give it like I don't know, like a marble type effect. It is beautiful, guys. So this is my first time working with it and I love it. So you pull it apart in pieces and you just place it on the Mod Podge. It will stick. Once you get as much or as little as you want on there, then you want to go ahead and reseal that in with Mod Podge and let that dry. You'll see what the outcome is, and this is why I like it. All right, so once we seal that in, we have to move that over to the side and let that dry. I grabbed the snowflake and I decided to go ahead and use that ribbon on top of that snowflake. I'm just loving these two colors right now. And then I'm going to use the jumbo popsicle stick and we're going to use that as a stand for the snowflake. So doesn't that look absolutely beautiful, guys? You can place it everywhere. And look at this canvas. Don't you just love this? I'll be working with this a whole lot more. Now we're going to go ahead and use that cross and go ahead and glue that to the center of the canvas. And then we're going to also glue the bow. So I think that this canvas, this bow, and this cross came out absolutely gorgeous. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I think these projects came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.